So the UAE Pavilion participation in UAE Satori 2026 supported by the Ministry of Defense and Tawazun Council for Defense Enablement. ADNIC Group organized the pavilion. The showcase we see here in the UAE Pavilion include Edge Group, and as we know that Edge Group has got more than 40 subsidiaries in it. Today there are quite number of companies showcasing different products from different sector, ranging from ammunition to missiles to unmanned system to radars, communications, aerospace. All these sectors are showcased here with the advanced technologies products. We also have in the outdoor resource industries. That's also one of the advanced UAE defense and security companies that showcasing armored vehicle and drones and some communication systems there also. The other company also we have is Emirates cable connecting company that produce joint cables utilized by even Edge and other companies. UAE is also going into the vertical industries to sustain all companies with their components manufacturing in this. This is a turning point actually for Edge Group. As you know, Edge Group has gone global for many years now, and to center itself and position itself in Europe, it has selected Paris as the office for Edge Europe, and will be participating in several European exhibitions here with the same brand, focusing on Europe, looking at how business could be achieved and how collaboration in a closer way, where you have people closer to the industry in Europe. I think it's a significant step that it has taken. It will bring UAE with Europe together, and I'm sure there will be in the future, a number of MOUs has been signed during UAE Satori. That also will be the starting point for collaborating with so many brands within Europe. First of all, we consider UAE Satori as a strategic platform. It's one of the biggest and one of the important shows that ADNIC Group focus on in promoting its events. So we promote defense and security events. IDEX 2027 will witness much bigger size in terms of number of exhibitors, participants, also launching a number of new zones that will focus in different sectors. I can tell you that the booking is almost completed. We have a lot of companies, new countries is coming. So we are looking forward to a very large and important edition of IDEX. Also, beside IDEX exhibition, we will have the International Defense Conference, which will be also different from the previous ones. So we're looking forward to an exceptional edition in 2027. So Navdex 2027 will also grow as IDEX, and we are expecting large number of companies. In terms of size, also it's growing. Diversity of maritime related equipment and showcasing obviously the maritime ships and weapons into it. I think IDEX and Navdex are together showing one of the very important shows around the world, and UAE location provides a suitable platform for meeting. Going into UMEX 2028, calendar will be in March 2028. As you know, the last edition has grown dramatically from the 2024. We further are growing UMEX in 2028 for a full venue. So the whole venue in ADNIC will be occupied by UMEX. And we are growing the defense as well as the commercial side of the unmanned system and autonomous system. ISNR also have witnessed an exceptional edition, last one, with a lot of activation, a lot of diverse exhibitors from different parts of the world. We have done the promotion for ICENR also to grow the size. So we are increasing the size of ICENR in 2028 by 2 halls. We are introducing new sector, growing the old sectors. The support of Ministry of Interior and Abu Dhabi Police is really helping to to grow this show, position it well around the world. UAE is working with all countries of the world, engaging all countries of the world, and we are attracting them, and they are coming to UAE, participating in our shows. I think it's very important. A large number of companies, they do product launching in UAE because they can see this networking and the delegations and the specialized visitors come to the UAE, and it's an opportunity for showcasing and launching a new product. So I think those are very important things. My message to all, you have seen Abu Dhabi as the favorite destination for exhibition. You know the infrastructure of the UAE, you know our capability there. The shows we are making sure that it meets your expectation, and please do not hesitate. We are here, we will support you all the way through to make sure that you get what you come for.